So how do you find the junk mail in a Gmail on iPhone? And let's get started. If you are new on this channel, go ahead and subscribe right now and you're not going to miss tutorials like this one. So you might be using Gmail inside of the Apple's Mail application, or you might have a dedicated Gmail app. So first, if you go to the the Apple Mail, you can tap on the mailboxes in the top left corner and you'll be able to browse. For example, in my case, I have the iCloud section right here, as well as the Gmail section right there. So part of the Gmail below, I have the junk folder, which I can go there and I see some junk email in there. So this is specifically for Gmail, not for all of my mails. But it's also possible that you have the dedicated Google's platform, and in that case you can also just open it up like this, make sure you are signed in, and tap on the three lines for more options to appear right here. And on this like Google's mail app, there isn't a junk folder, but it's called a spam folder. Obviously it does the very same job, it's literally the same thing, but it's just called slightly differently. So you can find the spam folder right here. You can even perform some filters if you have multiple spam messages in here, but yeah, it just works slightly different, but it's essentially the very same thing. So no matter which client you are using, you can easily find your junk mail for your Gmail address through the iPhone. So let me know in the comments if you managed to find it on your device. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later.